Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Namers, and today I'm gonna play FC Mobile. Open it. Okay. So now let's play Vicious Attack, guys. Subscribe to my channel. You should know videos like this. So let's wait to load up. And this is my team. This team. Hey, what? He is coming like this. Hey, I can't even play with this. Shoot! Shoot, I can't even play with my left hand. Okay. Where are you passing? Okay, don't forget to like and subscribe. This is Namers and YouTube channel. So 1 second. First upside down now. So now I have played different match. So let's play another match and on 1v1. What are you doing there? Your YouTube channel. Oh, okay then. This team, only the striker is 118. Not left-handed. take it out. It's coming in left hand side. What can I do?
Oh, what a feeling. Look what we've overcome. Oh, I'm gonna wave away my flag. Turn all the reasons. We are ain't no turning back. Saying, oh, can't you taste the feeling? Feeling it. Saying, oh, y'all we come now. There's beauty in our unity. We still got a long way to look. Come now. Hands up for your colors. Ready the people. A new day has just begun. And I wear my colors on my back. We created it.
And a warm welcome on what is a fine day for football. I'm delighted to be able to report. I'm Derek Ray, your match commentator, and alongside providing all the tactical and technical analysis is Stuart Robson. And no question, this ought to be a game that gets pulses racing. It's Paris Saint-Germain, and they take on Juventus.
Well, Derek, as is always the case, the team that dominates midfield will be the team that controls the flow of the game. And that, for me, is the area that's key today.
Zaire Emery. Burmo. And he takes on the shot. An attempt to forget all about, unfortunately.
He got it all wrong, trying to pass it into the corner, opened up his body, but didn't make the right sort of contact.
Showing good situational awareness. Ekitike. And nothing comes of this attack. Jonathan David. Juventus keep possession, and it's positive possession. What can they do from this position? That's going to be a Juve throw. David. Oh, it's on!
Spin.
And they forge ahead. Cleared away comprehensively.
Pass. No, where is passing?
And Juventus will get the throw in. Cole Palmer. Ball lost by Juventus. Roberto Baggio. Opportunity. Now they can reset the defence. Hugo Ekitike. Well, that's how to keep the opposition at bay. 3 minutes of added time here. So Bosloy, Jonathan David. So the whistle then. We're at the halfway stage in this match.
Second half.
So away they go again. A low-key first half, I think we can call it.
If I was playing in my right, I'll score better.
Committed challenge. And the ball back with Juve now. Still pushing for that goal that would see them forge ahead. This to get them in front. And the flag has gone up just when he looked ready to pounce, perhaps.
Well, he was just too static in the end, which is a shame because that was a dangerous situation.
Jamie Carragher. 30 minutes left for play. Roberto Baggio. Roberto Baggio. He's going forward well here. Will he find the net? Just the clearance that was called for. Palmer.
Just go take the ball. Where are you going? Oh,
Well, we're inside the final quarter of an hour now. Can he put them in front? And a goal! Just when we wondered if this might finish 0-0. There it is. They're in front.
Well, let's take another look, and it's not good enough defensively. They're slow to react, don't get tight enough, and don't deal with the situation. And there's the outcome.
Well, a dramatic moment near the end, and that might well be the decider. Gilberto. Warren Zaire-Emery. Time is against PSG, but they still have the ability to hit back. This could be the equaliser. Level again here.
Well, this is a very tidy finish, as you can see. He's under so much pressure, but his strength just allows him to hit through the ball cleanly. It's an excellent goal.
So underway again, following the goal that made things level. Progressive football from Paris Saint-Germain. Might be a chance here. Can you believe it? With so little time left, surely that will be the winner. Amazing scenes here.
Well, here you can see it again. Good run, great strength, and a composed...
And that will do it for this game anyway. And it goes into the history books as a victory for Paris Saint-Germain. What did you think of their performance?
Well, Derek, it was very competitive. Chances at both ends, but I feel they were the better team, and they deserved it.